From this video, you will learn how to see Instagram profile picture. Look, this is a person and her Instagram profile is this, but the size of this picture is small. But you want to see this Instagram profile picture in full size. So how to do this? You can select any person in Instagram. So at first you need to click on the three dot beside the profile. Then you will have this type of pop-up. So you need to click on copy profile URL. Right after copy URL, you need to open your Chrome browser. Right, you need to open your Chrome browser and you need to write insta follower okay, insta follower. Look, insta follower then co. Then you will get a website like this, www.instafollowers.co. Click on it. Look and scroll down to below. You will get this option, free tools. Click on it. Then Instagram tools. Click on it. And now look, Instagram profile picture size. So click on it and Instagram username and paste the link you copied earlier and click on check and then security check and your okay, after checking your targeted profile picture will come within 1 or 2 minutes. Look, this is the full size of the Insta profile picture of that lady, right? So thank you for viewing this video. Be well.